Let me plug this disclaimer right here in the beginning and say, you can get this case in black that has a front on it, or you can get a clear case. You don't have to get the Twinkle Ombre case. They are made the same. So you can still watch this video if you don't want a blingy case. That being said, let's get started. It's Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and today I have an unboxing of a case for my LG Wing. This is a phone that is the biggest fingerprint magnet out of all phones I've ever owned. I don't even want to stand it up right now because when it points at me, it has cloudy fingerprints on it. To do away with that, and because I like the beauty of this phone, I got a clear case, but I got some little twinkle action going. It's an ombre twinkle case from CaseMate. It has 10-foot drop protection. It's a one-piece design, so there's no front protection on this. Tactile buttons on the side, and it has a lifetime warranty. And you can purchase this at casemate.com or at Amazon. I have the Amazon link at the bottom. It is an affiliate link, so it doesn't cost anything extra for you to buy it. It does give me a kickback to my Amazon affiliate account. I will say it wasn't as hard to find a case for the Wing as it was the Samsung Z Fold 2. I know the phone's been out for months, but even after months, the Z Fold was quite a struggle. But like the Z Fold 2, there are adhesive strips on the top, sides, nothing on the bottom. And there is a plastic piece, I guess, to keep it from getting scratched up on the way to me on the outside for protection. I will use these adhesive strips. This phone did not cost me $2,000 like my Z Fold 2 did, and this will probably be the only case I have for this phone. Therefore, I won't be swapping between cases and have to buy extra adhesive. So I'm going to remove these strips, stick the phone in. I don't know how great these strips are, but at least the strips aren't pulling out the adhesive with the strips like I experienced with the speaking cases. So let's stick our phone in here. Let me wipe it down first. So here's the cleanest you'll probably ever see this phone. Yes, I'm holding it in something because that's how it gets down. It gets dirty real quickly. Stick this in here. Can I stick it in there? Oh, it is in there. That's just the joys of not ever having your phone in a case and knowing how it fits. If I take this back piece off, it does look more gold now. But it's nice. It has the gold flickers back here. We have our charging port. We have a microphone. And we have a speaker down here. I have a third-party charger here. I like to charge those versus the ones that come with phones. Although this one didn't come with the phone. And it works just fine. As we come over to the side, we got the power button, clicky, volume up and down. And at the top, you got your hole for your camera, pop-up camera, and your mic. We'll flip the camera. And it comes out just fine. Swivel motion works just fine with this case as well. Right now, this will probably be the only case I get. If I'm die hard and stick with this phone over the Fold, then I'll get more cases. It might just be a keeper because it's different. We'll have to see. Thanks for checking out my video on the CaseMate Twinkle Ombre case for the LG Wing. I'll catch you on the next video. Holla!